Have you ever wondered why your face looks flat, despite all your effort putting into rendering it? Hi, I'm Alpha. Let's get to it. Your problem might not be at the way you draw skin, but your eye highlight. Here's some of the work by professional illustrator all over the world. Notice anything? That's right. The highlight in their drawing is very hard to notice. It only looks clear when you zoom in. That's because in some more modern style, I tend to draw more realistically. This is an image of a real eye. You can see that it's really hard to notice the highlight. In short, white highlights make the face look flatter. To fix this, you only need one thing. And here's the secret technique that you click on this video for. Reduce your highlight. First, go to the layer you put your eye highlights on. Remember that our problem is that the highlight makes it look flat. So, what we need to do is to reduce it. To do that, we can just simply reduce its opacity. Reduce that to about 60% to 70% is enough. Here's the before and after. You can feel that the eye looks like it has moved back in space. Generate some depth to your face. Often we put highlight on top of the eye, where it is the darkest, because it generates the most contrast, bringing attention to the face. But it feels unrealistic because that area is in shadow. Things in shadow can't be as bright as when it's in light. So by bringing the brightness down, it looks less than a white sticker put on top, but rather a reflection of the light source in the eye. This made the eye more realistic. That's for today. Quick tips. Make sure to try this in your upcoming drawing. If you are interested in the background drawing, please follow my Twitter for more. See you in the next video.